Good morning. We'll study with the fourth chapter of a social weather and climate. So you all be hearing the word weather and climate in the TVs when we hear the news that weather is changing, climate is changing, so many things. So we'll study about the weather and climate in this chapter. People live in different places in the world and follow varied lifestyles. It means different people live in different places around the world. Because of that, the lifestyle changes. The food they eat, the clothes they wear, the houses they live in vary from place to place. This variation is due to the condition of a weather of a place where they live. So, as I told, due to different places, the weather changes. The condition of the weather makes the people to change their way of eating, wearing clothes, and they leave the houses. It may differ. The earth is surrounded by a thin layer of air called atmosphere. So, as we studied in the previous class about the previous chapter, different layers of the earth, crust, mantle, and a core. Same way, uh, apart from the inner surface of the earth, there is one more layer, thin layer in the air is called an atmosphere. As just as there are layers inside the earth, there are also layers in the atmosphere. These layers heat up or cool down and interact with the top layer of the earth crust. So this atmosphere, the it will get interacted with the earth's crust and makes the changes. These cause changes in the temperature of a place. That is why we sometimes feel cold and sometimes hot. Coming in detail, we'll study about the weather. Weather is a condition or the state of an atmosphere over a short period of time at a particular place. Weather, it is a word, it tells about a condition of a place for a short time. It may changes. So from the picture you can see how these weather reports and changing atmosphere can be shown. You can see in the news they'll be showing like this, and it keeps changing from time to time. In the morning, we can see when the sun is at the horizon, means it rising, the weather is pleasant. You'll feel not so much hot, you'll feel good. At noon, when the sun shines brightly above our head, the weather is very hot. And again in the evening, when the sun sets, the weather becomes pleasant. So it means in the morning and the evening, the sun rays will be very less, due to which we are comfortable in going out, whereas in the noon it will be very hot. Weather of a place may change each day. So as I told you, the weather is a condition for a short time, so it may changes in a day itself. The weather at one place may be different from another place at the same time, so the weather can change from place to place. For example, during the months of April, May, June, it is very hot in the northern hemisphere, but it is very cold in the southern hemisphere. So northern hemisphere comes above the equator and southern hemisphere comes below the equator. So during the months of April, May, and June, northern hemisphere may feel hot and southern hemisphere feel cold. In the months of December, Jan, and Feb, again it is opposite. Changes in the weather condition give rise to seasons. So change in the weather will make a different season. They affect our daily activities. They also affect the clothes we wear and food we eat. As you all know, during different season we wear different clothes and different food also. Coming to the climate. Climate is the average weather condition of a place for a long period, whereas the weather is for a short period. But climate is for long period of time. It different at different places of the world. So again it is differing. It may rain throughout the year in some areas of the world, and while some areas is dry almost the whole year. So here it's referring to the year itself. Here a day itself it's getting changed. Whereas here the whole year in one place of the world gets more rain, whereas other part gets no rain at all. The climate of a place affects the food habits, clothing, transportation, and houses of the place. So again, due to the climate change, the lifestyle will change. People who study climate are called climatologists. So here is the word climatologist. It means the people who study about the climate is called climatologist. Coming to the next page, elements of weather and climate. So what are the elements which make the weather and climate important? Temperature. Temperature is the measurement of the warmth or coldness of air around us. So you all know how to measure the temperature. When you get fever, you will be high temperature. It's normal when you are in normal condition. So this weather and climate also differs in temperature. When it is warmth or coldness of air, it belongs to that one. The temperature of the amount of rainfall at different places of the world are not the same. As I told you, due to different climate, some places may get more rain and some places won't get rain at all. As we travel far and wide, when you go for a long ride, we spot difference in the climate condition of the various places. So as it differs, there are many factors that affect the climate of a place. So weather forecast showing temperature at different places at particular day. So here in a particular time, Cape Town, it is in Africa, here it is 20 to 30 degree variation, whereas in India it is 15 to 15, means lower is also 15, higher is also 15. Whereas coming to North America and Los Angeles, it is from lower to 13 and higher to 25. So here different important cities are given where at a one single time the temperature is varying. Coming to the humidity, the amount of water vapor or a moisture present in the air is known as humidity. Though, as you all know, the water gets vapor due to the sun rays. So, because of that, the moisture present in an air is known as humidity. The degree of humidity of a place is also related to the distance from the sea. So, the humidity is due to the distance from the sea also. The closer the place to sea, the more humid. The humid is of a place increase in the rainfall as the air carries more moisture in it. Humidity is also increasing in the rainy season as the air carries more moisture in it. Due to it, we get more sweat. As you all be knowing, when we get sweat more, our parents will be telling you may get rain now. So this is the reason. Humidity also affects the climate of a place as it causes rainfall. In very cold places, humidity causes snowfall instead of rainfall. So this is affecting the climate and causes rainfall. In some places, it may cause snowfalls also. Thank you. Tomorrow we'll studying the different factors of weathers and climate. Thank you.